Hey guys, Shrapnel here. Gonna do a quick video on my tool bag. Keep in mind that this will soon be expanded greatly due to the field I plan on going into, but for the time being, this is what I have. So we'll start on the outside. Pocket bubble level. More proper level. And a Ozark Trail flashlight. That appears to be dead. Oh. Or just not working properly. Ah, I see why. Maybe. I don't know. Either way, 3 modes. Let's get to the goodies. It's a bit of a disorganized mess. Cheap thing of hex keys. It is Work Zone, GS, I believe I picked this up at Harbor Freight, total trash. As you can see, the smallest one is bent significantly, as is the second smallest. So yeah, don't buy this. Up next is my hammer. It's from Allied. That's just red paint, because I used this as a wrecking tool at one point. I might pull out all of these real quick. 5. Where's number 6? Peculiar. That should not be in there. I am missing a flathead, it appears. Oh well. Those are most of my screwdrivers. I have another flathead. 2 stubby flatheads. Another flathead. I picked these two, these yellow handled ones I picked up at Harbor Freight. These two I got at a garage sale. It was one of those fill a bag for however much, so I basically got these for next to nothing. This one I got for free. This one I paid 50 cents. Got another flathead. First set of Vise Grips. That one can go over there. This one I think I swiped from my grandfather at some point. Safety glasses. Wire cutters. Again, make a pile of those, as well as these. These are probably my nicest tool. However, they're not exactly one-hand friendly. Those tools I probably have to return to my grandfather. Alright. Sorry how sloppy this video is, but whatever. These I also picked up at Harbor Freight. Here's the other Vise Grips. Those I picked up at Walmart. Small pipe wrench. Two decent hex keys. These came in those kits. Pittsburgh 8-inch Crescent wrench. I have a Husky Quarter-Inch Set. And a Husky 3/8 set. I'm a big fan of the 3/8 drive. Handful of oddball wrenches. And then on the bottom here, you see my other 3/8 drive ratchet. Pull up a chair real quick. I want to compare these real quick. So, this is from Allied, same company who made the hammer and these wrenches, as well as this level right here. And now let's compare it to this Husky, which takes design cues from Snap-on, believe it or not. Much quieter. And then we'll even compare it to the 1/4 inch. But yeah, the 3/8 is my most used. I only have this one because this one is total crap. Because I used this one to take the running boards off my truck not long ago. And it was a royal pain because this grip is atrocious. So I picked this up. It's a lot nicer. But I do plan on picking up a larger one. I am really liking the Pittsburgh Professional long-handled flex head. Down here are a bunch more of 3/8 drive. This actually has the quick release lock thing. So difficult to do this one hand. Spark plug. So yeah, that is my tool bag. It will probably be expanded shortly, actually, hopefully, because I plan on making a Harbor Freight run, and I'll show you that haul when it's complete. So yeah, that's my tool bag. Thanks for watching.